In this session, let us solve a question from CSIR NET December 2019. The question is from Newton-Raphson method. The positive zero of the polynomial f of x is equal to x square minus 4 is determined using Newton-Raphson method using an initial guess x is equal to 1. Let the estimate after 2 iterations be x2. The percentage error x2 minus 2 divided by 2 modulus times 100% is. The Newton-Raphson iteration formula, it says xn plus 1, this is equal to xn minus f dash of f of xn divided by f dash of xn. This is the Newton-Raphson iteration formula. So after the first iteration, we will get x1 is equal to x0 minus f of x0 divided by f dash of x0. Now f of x is given to be equal to x square minus 4. The initial guess is x0 equal to 1. Therefore f of x0, this is equal to 1 square minus 4, which is minus 3. And f dash of x0, f dash of x is equal to 2x. F dash of x0 is equal to 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Therefore x1 is equal to x0 is 1 minus f of x0 is minus 3 divided by f dash of x0 is 2. This is coming out to be equal to 1 plus 3 by 2, which is 5 by 2. Now after second iteration x2, this will be equal to x1 minus f of x1 divided by f dash of x1. This is equal to x1 is 5 by 2 minus f of x1 is f of x is x square minus 4. Therefore f of x1 will be equal to 5 by 2 square minus 4 divided by f dash of x1 is 2 times x1, because f dash of x is 2x. 2 times x1 is 5 by 2. If you evaluate this, you will get this to be equal to 2.05. Now we are interested in this x2 minus 2 divided by 2 into 100%. So let's calculate this. x2 minus 2 divided by 2 modulus times 100%. This is equal to 2.05 minus 2 divided by 2 modulus times 100%. This is equal to 0.05 by 2 times 100%, which is equal to 2.5%. Therefore the correct option here is option D.